invite everyone in? We need to begin the presentation.
All right. They will join us now. Everyone, come in. The presentation starts now.
Welcome to Get Empowered course program. You are lucky to be here. My name is Richard and I work with TEA Initiatives and Footprints Dynasty Limited to facilitate this training. You all look excited. Let's look at what we will be learning. 1. Graphics/logo design. 2. Real estate management. 3. Mini-importation. 4. How to write scripts for movie/novel. 5. 3D animation like this one you are watching and many more.
Excuse me, would all the training be online? I was told the registration is free. Is that so? Can an old man like me learn? And would there be certificate of completion?
Amanda, answer them.
Of course, yes. All this training will be held online, and all you need is your smartphone and good internet connection. Certificates would be issued thereafter.
Shall we begin? This course would be worth the time you are about to spend.
With qualified instructors, you are guaranteed success.
I represent TEA Initiatives.
I represent Footprints Dynasty Limited and Dynasty Enrichment Empowerment Program, DEEP. We represent Get Empowered.